Welcome back guys to another video. Today I'm back again with Savior or SaveToki, and today we're gonna play some more Left 4 Dead. Today we're playing Hard Rain, or the campaign map Hard Rain.
This should be easy. We just need to grab some diesel.
You want to hear a prediction? Nope. No. There's not going to be any gas. Watch.
I'm just gonna turn down the volume because it's probably gonna be.
Dude, we barely get any good stuff. We only get pistols.
That's just the beginning, I guess.
Reloading.
Oh lord. Oh no, there's other guns out here.
Oh wait,
Freaking axe.
you can go double. You can go double.
What do you mean?
You can go double pistol.
Oh yeah.
He's going. One of them tried to go on the roof. There are so many medkits in here. What the hell? Whoa, dude.
Reloading.
What?
Ammo.
Guns.
Yeah, I know, there's so many meds. Is this gonna be like really hard or something?
Taking the
Do I
shotgun.
want the shotgun?
Dude,
Probably
why
one.
is this so...
What is this?
Is this guy...
You may
aid
want
kit
to
here.
save some items for the return trip. Oh, we're gonna have to.
Hey, I'm reloading.
We're gonna have to fight on the way back.
I got pills.
Oh no. Oh lord, I'm picking a shotgun, screw that.
Reloading.
Whoa!
We got a hunter.
Oh my god.
Dude. This might actually
Okay,
be pretty.
screw.
This might actually
gonna be
become pretty difficult.
Reloading.
Yeah, okay.
Don't know how much I like this.
I'm reloading.
It's better.
This is not good. And, first aid.
On the roof there is a can of fuel. Should I throw it down?
Yeah, sure. Throw it down.
There's also a helium canister.
Yep,
I just jumped
throw it
down.
down.
Don't know why. There's nothing up top. now.
You should put it outside here on the road.
Nah, just take it inside so that we can just blow everything up.
No gas. See what I say?
Looks like we're gonna have to walk to this hell place.
Oh no, it's 2 miles.
Ah, another one. I'm
Alright.
throwing it outside of
Keep your
the
eyes open
place
for
because if
landmarks.
we're gonna need
You're gonna have to
to
come back through here.
I can hear jockey.
jockey,
Jockey.
if we're gonna need to fight on our way back, probably be the for best. No, you don't. What do you look like?
Oh my god. Oh my
Is
god.
that a tank?
Tank. Tank.
Whoa!
Oh lord. It's like King Kong.
Whoa.
Dude, he just chucked the car at me.
What? You chucked the car at me.
He just chucked... Dude, these NPCs suck ass.
Oh shit!
Reloading.
I killed it.
I'm dead.
Oh, help me up. I can walk this all.
Oh
Yeah,
my
you look
god,
fine
you're
now.
already dead.
What?
Oh, I'm gonna mess this
Hold on,
up.
y'all. I got
We're
a-
5 minutes into the game,
That's what I'm
and I'm
talking
already dead.
about, Nick.
Nothing out of the ordinary, I guess.
There's something for you.
So,
Ouch.
when do you think I'll be revived? In like 50 minutes?
Probably.
Now I can just watch SaveToki third person.
The hell am I supposed to go?
They don't on the roof.
Can I don't think I can get up there.
I will be your guide.
Alright. Hunter.
Hunter.
Oh
You shot a car.
no. Oh frick, yeah I did.
Ah, jockey.
Jockey. I'm dead. Get it off me.
guys.
Reloading here.
Whoa. Oh.
That'll keep you for a bit.
More zombies. Whoa.
You gotta quit moving so I can heal you. Reloading.
Oh no, there's a witch. You see?
Yeah, if you get hit by the witch, you're dead.
Reloading.
Fire witch. Get your damn lights.
Where is it?
To your right.
Oh no.
Oh, there she is. Wait.
Oh, what is that?
Ah,
on
wait.
the
Go to your
ground?
left. Go to your left. Go to your left. Go to your left.
Oh, I'm going. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Get me out.
Thanks.
Yeah. I'm alive.
Alright, we got it. There's a gas tank right here.
Let me try.
Alright, you ready? I'm now.
Oh,
Got him.
that didn't go well. Ah.
I got it.
Is that a jockey?
I owe you.
That is the
Whoa.
job. What?
Big boy. Another time. No, wait, that's. You got slammed.
Frick.
What is this? A medkit for me?
Grabbing a shot.
Wow. It's, and then you take the.
Hold up, gonna heal.
Reloading here.
All right, now
Bomb.
I'm back.
Reloading.
Boom.
Wait, I like that. I like the.
Time to make some zombie soup.
Yeah,
Oh,
boy.
Look out.
What happened? What are you holding?
I'm back in the game, boys.
Is that a grenade launcher?
Yeah. Yippee-ki-yay!
What the heck? I might just take this.
Woo!
Let's cut through the...
Hey,
Oh, what's up?
We got guns.
guess I'll go for
This is a
double
garage
pistol.
sale.
Whoa.
Dude, this is a garage sale and they're selling guns.
I'm a reload.
Yeah. This is America.
Oh yeah. Bang.
Boom. Boom. You think you're tough?
Same team.
I know I'm wasting ammo, but this is just too funny.
Reloading.
Yeah. Oh,
Nope,
that-
nope, nope, just no. Oh, he's alive. Whoa, he can jump. Whoa!
what happened?
So,
Oh, under. Oh, dude.
run! Run!
We don't.
Guy just
Reloading. Reloading here.
Hold up, I'm going inside this house.
where are we? Oh, I found a safe.
I got a laser sight.
Damn.
Safe room
You
up
can
there.
get laser sight as well.
Nah, I don't need it. Actually, I'll just. Ah,
Get inside.
feel so safe.
Grab and puke.
I don't know.
Everybody inside.
Bang. Bang.
Quit
Wait,
screwing
are we
around, get
supposed to
inside.
restart to the start?
Quit screwing around. Let's get inside.
Get inside!
Just teleported.
I'm
Oh,
grabbing
what?
pills.
Wait,
Yeah.
Alice is down there. Oh wait, we gotta close the door.
You guys aren't so
A
damn
spitter
bad.
just ran around the corner.
Oh,
How did I kill
alright.
the least amount? Well, actually, I died, so it does actually
Yeah,
make
you
sense.
died.
I'm walking really slow. Is there like a medkit? Yeah, there
I'll
is.
hold on to
Let's
this
go.
first aid kit. I gotta heal.
So, Xavier, how does it feel being dead?
Oh yeah.
Please don't tell me this is the last part.
No. You know, we have to go back now, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh no!
Oh no. You're dead.
Get off me! Oh my god, Alice, you useless little banana. I'm going on ahead. Screw you. You guys can live for yourselves. Oh my god, do you want to die? Oh, there are more witches in here, are you kidding me?
Reloading.
I'm just going to the top, because everyone knows the top
no,
is the
go,
best.
watch out.
Smoke.
Reloading.
There has to be something here. Right? There's a
Dude,
medkit.
you're gonna run into a witch. Take it.
I hit it.
Oops.
Oh no, you're dead.
Whoa.
Hunter on Ellis.
Watch out behind you.
How do they climb up? How are they climbing up? No, I'm not accepting this.
Reloading.
Dude, why have it our pistols?
Reloading.
Grenade launcher. I'm not gonna survive this way. Because
Oh no, you're dead. Yeah, you're dead.
Elevator's here.
no, 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 no.
Dude, I was alive. I'm alive. Look.
Oh wait, I can see you. I could see you.
What's that?
No, no, not like this. Come on. What's in here?
That was close.
Got the fuel. Return to the boat. Dude, I thought we killed them.
I
Oh,
ain't never been in a sugarcane field before. I mean, I seen them and all, but no real reason to go into one. But now you go to a peach grove, you find all sorts of cool shit. Okay.
Shit, it's really coming down.
I told you these storms come up quick.
Reloading.
just play it the safe way.
Wait, do we just gotta go back to the where we came
Retrace
from?
our steps.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Reload.
Does that mean there are witches here?
Yeah.
Why is this witch hut? The what was that? No, dude, this is a horror game.
Oh no. Where's the thing?
What is this
Following
storm?
pipe. I'm at the thing. I'm at the thing.
I've never seen such bad weather.
Oh my god, this is so bad. Get in.
Dude, has it ever rained this hard where you live?
It's so scary.
Dude, hold me. Dude.
I'm scared.
Oh
there's gonna be a
my,
witch.
there's a charger.
There's gonna be a witch in here.
Probably.
Play it the safe way.
Everyone back.
Jump off the building. Vala Morgulis.
Did you?
It's a lake down
I
there.
would not jump down, so.
Dude, it's a lake down there.
Dude, what happened? Why is there so much water? Spit.
Oh, what the heck?
Reloading.
Do you want me to test if I can jump down?
Yeah, sure, go.
Somebody want to lend me a hand?
Are you ready?
Not yet.
Okay then, I'm
Fast
sorry.
food is gonna save us.
God damn it. Dude, I was getting...
Oh, there are
I was
3
getting-
pipe ups in me. There are 3 pipe
They're
bombs.
coming.
I
Up
can.
there?
Yeah, I can.
Okay,
Keep you I can keep this place safe.
Pipe bomb out. Pipe bomb here. Grenade.
No, someone took my pipe bomb. You're an ass. Yeah, the last thing we should do is go down there.
No, be you dead.
Reloading.
Dude,
Well, now I hear the
Where is
music. We're gonna put the music to max just because why wouldn't we?
oh, you're right here.
Come on, melee him. I killed him with melee damage. I'm gonna jump down here, mate.
Aren't we supposed to? Yeah, aren't we supposed to go down? Where's the boat?
Hey, boat master.
We
There's a
weren't supposed to
jump.
drop down.
There's another
No,
time.
dude. We weren't supposed to jump down.
Wait,
I see the boat.
boat master. Oh, no tank.
Oh no. Get in.
No.
Let me in. Let me in.
Let me in.
I'm in.
Let me in.
Get me in.
Lost grenade. Yes, we did it. Dude. Man. The survivors have escaped.
Oh.
That only took 48 minutes. I feel like these are getting. I feel like these
The
are getting.
first one was really long.
Yeah, then it was like 1.5 hour, then like. Yeah, 2 hours.
Mm.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.